So in our sequence of low-level plyos and trying to build rapid extensibility of the lower extremity, the lower quarter, particularly the lower shank and the foot and the ankle complex, are critical for acceleration and deceleration, as well as coordination, having grace and rhythm with our movements. So there's three that we'll go through, building in what I consider to be complexity and coordination. The first one is going to be your pogos, where you're just hopping on the spot. Again, this is for individuals that are somewhat having some form of mechanical sensitivity within their lower extremity, or they've had a hiatus from any impact activity and are re-exposing them to such impact and this rapid shock absorption. You'll notice that individuals will often self-select a certain amount of stiffness. So I make this akin to what would be a bunny rabbit, where you'd be like this. The most dramatic or exaggerated of instances, and then they may not go that slow. They may be more like this, versus your kangaroo, which has an actual spring to it, such that I'm like actually hitting back at the floor. Very different movement patterns from a physiological adaptation and how my body is accommodating to the impact and how much energy I'm putting back into the surface. They say that the best athletes put the highest force into the floor and they spend the least amount of time on it. And the earlier that we can start to train it, the better. The next one is called penguins. And it really is like, as you may imagine, like a penguin may waddle, where I'm going heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Again, you can use your same feed forward and or feed back training that we've used with our other accelerations and decels. So you stop, and then go, and then stop, right? And so this would be given by the coach or some form of external cue, such that there's more of a reactive component to the penguin hopping. But it's really just a tap and then a tap.